This is Shane starting the Husqvarna 368 chainsaw. There he is. Start it. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I can't.
Do it.
No, it's turned off.
Come on. Ben, you sure when it's done?
Yeah.
Give him the saw. See? Now you do it.
There's one difference.
Right. Turn the ignition on.
Left-handed.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Start
But-
with my right-handed.
Yeah. Start with your right hand then. Feels up or is it?
You can't even do it. Fuck, you better not put this on YouTube. Look.
Of course I'm putting this on YouTube. What's that anywhere, boy?
There's a fucking kill you it is. No, it's not on YouTube. Fuck. Let's go on YouTube. I'm fucking saying it. I think this was smart. Let's get on YouTube. I'm saying it. Flogging it. It's inappropriate.
Use the weight of the saw. The ignition's on. Use the weight of the saw. Pull up and push down with this hand with the weight of the saw. Come on, come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
I can't.
Alright, put it on the ground. Put your foot in there. Now pull your right hand.
No, maybe put this.
Pull your right hand and put the other hand on there.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, that's
Oh, perfect.